bits of advice as your immediate predecessor. Number one, be armed and ready for your Monday morning non-jury docket. I say that somewhat in jest because, as Commissioner Cagle can attest to, we have affectionately named our Monday morning non-jury docket Monday Madness for a reason. So if you have not yet taken the bench on a Monday morning and seen it standing room only, some of the lawyers here can attest to that, it's often standing room only on Monday morning, and that's because that's our non-jury day. Non-jury day, where all the aforementioned matters that I just explained are usually heard. Your patience will be tried on Monday mornings. But when you take that bench, that's the joy of it, is that you must be armed and ready for whatever will come before you on your non-jury docket. Armed and ready. And begin those Monday mornings on your knees with your commitment, as the Reverend said, knowing your authority comes from above, and knowing that you are there to serve, and that is your great opportunity to do that, as your hundreds of cases are set on your non-jury docket on a Monday morning. Number two, behind every subtle case is another one ready to go to trial. So as all the trial lawyers in the room can attest to, when you worked up a case and teed it up for trial, and then your client gives you your marching orders to settle last minute, it is somewhat of a letdown because you were ready to go. So you often get the same feeling as the trial judge. You were looking forward to taking the bench and trying that case, and then you get the word sometimes at the last minute that the case is settled and it's not going. So, as judge of the court, you have the opportunity to work with the lawyers, and you may know that there is another case that is teed up and ready to go. Give them a call, work with them, and say, would you be willing to come to trial? I'll work with you on what day you can come this week. I've had my week open up. We county courts are built for speed. We're here to try your cases. I suppose I'm still talking like I'm a county court of law judge. So I often still feel like that, but I'm still a trial judge, and that's what I appreciate about the job, is that we are here to give you your day in court. Number three, take the time to get to know the lawyers, and they will take the time to get to know you. And that is one of my favorite parts of the job, is getting to know the lawyers, getting to understand their practice, knowing what to expect from them. When you do that, they will know what to expect from you, because consistency is so important as this part of the job. If they know what to expect from you, how you roll on things, how you handle things, they will respect that part about you. So when you run into the lawyers, the many lawyers who practice in county court at the grocery store, or out at dinner on a Friday night, it makes this part of the job that much more fun, because you've taken the time to get to know all the lawyers in your court, and they have taken the time to get to know you. So as a public servant, thank you for giving me this opportunity to offer these 3 bits of advice to you. And again, I'm confident that you are the right man for this job. I appreciate you doing this. And I look forward to what you will do as a new judge of County Civil Court of Law.